7 ways in which ginger can benefit your health, Part 2. It is great for your joints. There is plenty of research that relates ginger to the easing of pain and stiffness in the joints. Studies have shown that arthritis sufferers experienced reduced pain and required less medication when they took ginger extract. Other studies have shown that ginger mixed with cinnamon, mastic, and sesame oil can ease joint pain when applied externally and directly to an affected area. It fights infection. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive substance that can contain the growth of many different types of harmful bacteria. It is particularly effective against a large amount of bacteria found in the mouth, and so eating ginger can guard against many types of inflammatory gum diseases. Fresh ginger has also been found to be effective against respiratory infections. It is great for circulation, cleansing, and even your libido. Ginger is a great warming agent and gets your blood circulating in a way that benefits your health. It can cleanse your skin, stimulate your kidneys and bowels to help keep the body clean and clear, and can even have a positive effect on your libido. In fact, numerous sources actually credit it as a genuine aphrodisiac, so a little ginger soup before bed might just do you wonders. It may help protect you from heart disease. Research into these health benefits of ginger is still in its infancy, but studies have shown that 2 grams of ginger a day can significantly reduce blood sugar levels in diabetics. The same research concluded that it can also reduce levels of oxidized lipoproteins and EPOA-1 ratio, both considered to be key indicators of heart disease. Although further research is needed into these benefits, there is evidence ginger can help you maintain a healthy heart. It can reduce bloating and flatulence. Ginger stimulates many of the factors needed for effective digestion, including bile, saliva, and gastric juice. This naturally reduces the buildup of gas after a meal, ensuring that you don't feel bloated. It is not only preventative. A cup of ginger tea has muscle relaxant properties that can help release gases trapped in the digestive system slowly and safely. The food passes through your system more quickly, ensuring you both feel better and avoid any embarrassing releases. So how can you add some ginger to your diet? With all those qualities, you will want to add some ginger to your diet. Put it in your juice. Grate some up and stick it in your blender with your favorite fruits. It tastes particularly great with lemons and/or oranges. Stir it in with your rice. Looking to give your stir-fry rice a tasty boost? Throw in some ginger. Add garlic and coriander for some extra flavor too. Give your dessert an extra kick. Sprinkle some ginger over your souffle or sorbet to give it an extra burst of taste. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.